Welcome to Drawlipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check saved Wi-Fi password in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here go to connections. After that tap on Wi-Fi and then turn on your Wi-Fi. From here just tap on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then go to advanced settings and then tap on manage networks. And that's it. Now from here you can check your saved Wi-Fi. You can see there are only one saved Wi-Fi in my phone. So just tap here to check details. And here it is. If you want to check your saved Wi-Fi password, just tap on this eye icon. Then you have to scan your fingerprint or face lock. If I scan my fingerprint, and that's it. You can see now it's showing. And that is how you can check your saved Wi-Fi in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.